Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use workflows in QuickBooks Online Advanced. Workflows are an incredibly powerful automation feature that lets you streamline repetitive tasks like sending invoice reminders so you can focus on running your business instead of chasing payments. First, navigate to the left navigation menu and click on Workflows Automation. This is your hub for creating and managing all your automated workflows in QuickBooks. Once you're there, you'll see any existing workflows you've set up, along with the option to create new ones. Next, click the plus Custom Workflow button to start building your new workflow from scratch. This opens up the Workflow Builder where you'll define exactly what you want to automate. You'll be prompted to select a record type, so go ahead and choose Invoices since we're setting up an invoice-related automation. Then select the action you want the workflow to perform, for example, a reminder. Click Next to proceed. QuickBooks will generate a workflow template with default values that you can customize to fit your needs. Now it's time to give your workflow a clear, descriptive name. In the name field, type something like Coffee Shop Invoice Payment Reminder. Naming your workflows clearly helps you stay organized, especially as you create more automations over time. Move down to the Do This section where you'll set your trigger condition. This is the event that kicks off your workflow. Set it to when invoice due date is in 3 days. This means the workflow will automatically activate 3 days before any invoice is due, giving your customers a helpful heads up about upcoming payments. Next, you'll want to customize the additional parameters to fine-tune how and when this workflow operates. You can adjust the specific time of day the reminder goes out, set when the task should end, and most importantly, choose your notification method. QuickBooks gives you several options here. You can create a task, send an email directly to the customer, email your team, or send a push notification. Pick the method that works best for your business communication style. If you want to personalize the content of the reminder itself, simply click the pencil icon next to your chosen reminder method. This lets you edit the message text, tone, and any specific details you want to include, making your communication feel more personal and on brand. Finally, you have 2 options for saving your workflow. If you're still tweaking things and want to test it later, click Save to store it as a draft. But if you're confident everything is set up correctly and you want it to start working immediately, click Save and Turn On. Your workflow is now active and will run automatically based on the conditions you've set. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.